This is what I gotta use to brine the pig. 1 box of kosher salt, 1 gallon of apple cider, and probably half of these cinnamon sticks. I forgot to mention this will be soaked for 4 days. Smells good. Probably 7 sticks. Not much. Now we'll let it boil and then turn it off before we put the orange on. We're going to cut them up into 2 pieces. Put on all of the whole bag. We'll wait for the pot to boil, and then I'll just cut this up to get it ready to use 1 bag. We'll get this stirred up a little bit. It's about ready. Once it's boiled up, then you turn off the heat, let it cool down. I have to put it in this water to let it cool down faster. It's got to be completely cool down before you soak the pig in. Still a little warm, but I still got to add water and 3 bags of ice. There she is. Put ice on top of it. This is going to be sitting until Thanksgiving Day. Thursday? Yep. Good to go. Looks like I gotta go get some more ice. All good to go. So every day I gotta come check to make sure that the ice is on top of it and it's fully submerged. Gotta go find that lid to cover this. Should be good to go. So I'll see you Thursday. Clean the table. Today is the day. She's sinking deep. Ooh. Rinse it off with water. Clean up the ears real good. I don't have Q-tip. Get a little bit of Cajun in there. You don't really need much because already seasoning is already in the marinade or the brine that I did 4 or 5 days ago. This should just have a little bit of kick in it. Rib. This is gonna be a little bit of spice. Rub it a little bit, and that's the sauce to brush it on. Get this rod in here. Going through the mouth. And then trying to get through between the butt. She is in, cotter pin is in, the rod, everything's in. So we're gonna test it, see how she spins. 12-volt battery. Just the right speed. I just gotta sew the belly up. Perfect. Gotta burn it from here and then transfer the charcoal to over there. There it is.
I gotta record.
Just checking in, looking good. She is doing okay. Just the right speed I'm looking for. Made it.
I
think you bought it.
It's for sale.
Rub it on. Rub it on. This is the sauce. What they call it? The Chinese pork. The red, yeah, the red. So we'll try this. See how it goes. Looking good. Everybody doing turkey. We doing pig, y'all. Happy Pigsgiving from our family to yours.